Sentences can be of different kinds. They are mainly distinguished by the kinds of mood or emotion being portrayed in the sentence. They can be identified on the basis of different types of punctuation marks used. Once we try to analyze and understand the kinds of sentences, we will also be able to easily transform them across kinds without changing their original meaning. So let's start learning about the different kinds of sentences. The first kind of sentence we will be dealing with is an assertive or declarative sentence. Such sentences state something, which is why they are called statements. They assert an idea or declare a thought. Hence, they are called assertive sentences or declarative sentences. They begin with a capital letter and they end with a full stop. For example, Ronaldo is a famous football player. This sentence depicts a simple meaning and ends with a full stop. Therefore, the given statement is assertive. The second kind of sentence we will be dealing with is called an interrogative sentence. These sentences ask questions and they end with a question mark. Such sentences may either begin with WH words or other auxiliary verbs. Why are you late? And have you seen this movie? Are examples of interrogative sentences. Students, now we will move to the next kind of sentence, which is an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is one that does not have a subject. It is always in the second person, but the word you is omitted. It also ends with a full stop. This means that the sentence begins with the verb. An imperative sentence can also be negative. To do this, the words do not are added before the main verb. Most importantly, an imperative sentence is either an order, a command, a request, or an advice. For example, get out. Here, the subject is missing and the sentence is an order. Therefore, it is an imperative sentence. Other examples are, please pass me the book, which is a request, and do not drown the plant, which is a negative form of the imperative sentence. The next type of sentence we will be learning is called an optative sentence. An optative sentence expresses a wish or a prayer. Usually, an exclamation mark is used at the end of the sentence. For example, may God bless you. This is an optative sentence that expresses a blessing or a wish. Now, we come to the last type of sentence, which is the kind that always ends with an exclamation mark. These sentences are called exclamatory sentences, and they are used to express sudden joy, sorrow, or surprise. Alas, he is dead is an example of an exclamatory sentence. It expresses grief. Exclamatory sentences could also start with the words what or how. Here are some examples. How beautiful the rose is. What a wonderful day it is. So, students, let us recap what we have learned about the kinds of sentences. They are of 5 types: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, and exclamatory.